Hey, Amy Quimby here, Home Smart. So now we're going to tour 2866 Perrine Place in Grand Prairie, 75052. It is in the Arlington School District, so again, it will affect the taxes in a good way, just a little bit. All right, let's go on in and take a look. I will say this, I think it looks better in person than the pictures, and the pictures weren't bad. Here we go. So here we go. So when you first walk in, you do have the stairs that lead, well, upstairs. I guess you could put your Christmas tree here. Or a little desk. This would actually be a really good spot for a desk. I mean, it wouldn't be bad. It's a big entryway. No kidding, this is a big entryway. Not very good with measurements, so let's just not even try that. Oh, you know what? Big hall closet, it's pretty deep. It's an okay sized living area. It's all right. More light needed for super steady. So let me turn on some lights here, I think. Maybe that helps. Wet bar. Dining room. This is a really good sized dining area. How big does this show? If this is, it's 12 by 12. So really good size, has a decent view of your yard, the yard. Nice covered patio. That'd be awesome during storms to sit out there. Gas fireplace. Let's look at this kitchen. It's not a bad sized kitchen. It's definitely big enough for two people to be in here preparing food, most definitely. The pantry. So let's look at the storage in here. You really have two drawers. Well, you have 3 drawers. There's another one. 3 drawers, a Lazy Susan, another Lazy Susan, and 3 under cabinets. And 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 12 upper cabinets. I almost forgot what that is called. Breakfast area. It's not real big, but again, it's a breakfast area. It would be awesome to do like a Joanna Gaines thing here and put like bench seating. I'm just gonna assume this is the garage. And it is a big garage. No kidding, this is a big garage. It has to be at least 540 square feet. I love big garages. Access to the attic is right there. Okay, moving right along. What do we have? Laundry room. I mean, goodness gracious, you could hang all your clothes as they dry. That's awesome. What is this? Oh, little potty area. How nice. Little half bath. So before we go upstairs, oh wait, am I missing anything? By God, I sure am. Bedroom, primary, big primary. This is a big primary. Well, that's interesting. Huh, okay. Big primary. You're probably not going to run out of countertop space, ever. I have no idea what all this is. Don't know what that is. Anyway, decent sized closet. I mean, two people could put their clothes in this closet. But if it were me, I don't think all my things would fit in there. Just being serious. Okay. You know what? I'm going to stand in here. How tall is this? I am 5'3", and my head is about half a foot from the top of the shower head. It may mean something to somebody. It's good. It's fine with me. It doesn't matter. Linen. These are beautiful floors. Beautiful floors. I can honestly tell you, I've never shown a home with floors like this exact color. It's very pretty. Okay, let's go upstairs. See what we have. Okay. It's a nice game room. Really nice game room. How big is this? The game room is said to be 19 by 18. Really good size. Holy cow. This is a very long bedroom. It is, I think this is the 18 by 11, but the 18 was probably measured right here, not there. So really it's probably 16, maybe 15 feet by 11, but that's still, I'll tell you something, that's not a small bedroom. And not a real big closet, but it is a closet. I mean, think about this for a minute. You could section off that part and just extend your, wall that off and make that whole thing a closet. Yes, that's what I meant. Wall it off, make it a closet. Oh, is this a linen? No. Gas hot water heater. Not sure how old it is. That's not my job today. Okay, this bedroom is likely to be the 11 by 11. You know, it's funny. Whenever I'm showing homes, people are always like, oh my God, I see the neighbor's house right there. Well, yeah, but if your kids are in their room, I guarantee you, they're never gonna open up their blinds or curtains. It is not gonna happen. So who cares if you can see the neighbor's house if you never open the blinds or curtains? Bathroom. So you have dual sinks. Linen closet in here. This is a great linen closet. Plenty of space for towels and things. So you have the hot water heater there. What is this? And the AC here, the HVAC. One more bedroom. This would be the 9 by 11. 9 by 11. So it is a bit smaller, but I will tell you, if it's for a toddler, a small child, or you're using it for an office, it's just the perfect size. Even a young child, I mean, there's the game room out there, right? Wouldn't the kids be in the game room most of the time? If you have a mad teenage daughter, she's gonna lock herself in her bedroom, and you could have 50 game rooms, it wouldn't matter. She's gonna stay in her bedroom. Small children, they're gonna be playing with their toys in the game room. So this layout really does make sense. So I'm gonna flip this around, I think. So that really ends our tour today. So let's go over the stats again, because as always, y'all know as much about these properties as I do. These are not my listings, but I can darn sure sell them. This one's located at 2866 Perrine Place in Grand Prairie. Again, it's Arlington Schools, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, 2-car garage, big garage. 2478 square feet, built in 1990. The neighborhood is really quiet. By law, there's a lot of things that I can't say. Good Lord, there's a laundry list of things I can't say, but I can tell you from experiencing driving down several blocks to get here, it was peaceful. Of course, school's in right now, but it's peaceful. The next door neighbor was outside working in his garage. He has a clean place. I think somebody would be really happy in this house. The list price, the asking price is $365,000, and I think they're pretty on point. This listing is Marta Alvarez with Remax Associates of Arlington. She did a darn good job. Take care.